Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time in which you're watching this video. I'd like to thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to do just that, and you are about to learn what you see right here on the screen. You're about to learn how to get your credit fixed, eliminate all your debt, and get qualified for the loans you need fast. So if you're sick and tired of a poor credit score, which only helps you pay much more money in monthly payments, utilities, and insurance, and if you want to turn that around and get a big boost to your credit score so that you can qualify for the loans you need at the best interest rates, then this will be the most important video that you will ever see. Period. Now, who is the man behind the voice here? My name is Dexter Muhammad, and I am an independent distributor for a company called Financial Education Services. There's a picture of me there with my lovely wife of 16 years, Lynette. That lovely woman I call my honey bunny. Yep, I know that's corny. Honey bunny is corny, but hey, I've been married 16 years. I guess I just developed a lot of corny habits along the way. But what's even more corny is what she calls me, and I'm not gonna tell you that what she calls me right now. We're gonna leave that alone for right now. Okay. Our primary focus at Financial Education Services is to help people restore and protect their credit. And since I am a member of FES, I am on a mission, just as FES is on a mission. I want to help as many people as I can become financially free. And I'm going to do that by helping you solve one of your biggest problems. And I think you already know what that is, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video. The problem is a poor credit score. Okay? And as you may know right now, we are in the middle of a credit crisis here in America. And if you can't get a loan, then this crisis is directly affecting you. Your poor credit score is preventing you from getting the loans that you need. And the only way out of this mess is to get a significant boost to your credit score and to make that boost last. Okay? Now, just a few years ago, if someone had a credit score of 500 or more, he or she could easily buy a house with no down payment or proof of income. You may even remember those days. And a credit score of over 600 was considered good credit. Well, those days are long gone, as you know by now. The banks and the mortgage brokers have gone back to the old school lending practices, and what I mean by old school is a large down payment and excellent credit. Okay? In today's economy, you must have a credit score of 750 or more in order to have what's considered very good credit. And I've been hearing that 760 is even a sweet spot. So you've got to get your credit score boosted, and we're going to teach you how to do that very shortly. Unless you have a high credit score, it's become very difficult for you to buy a home or get any other kind of loan at the best interest rates. And this picture right here kind of sums up the entire story. All right, you see this young couple here, and you see that the young lady has a frown on her face, and the young man has a headache. And like I said, I've been married 16 years, and I think I know what this young lady is thinking. She's looking at him like, "Hey, I want to buy a house. You done messed it up for me. I want to buy a house. We're still living in this old cramped up apartment, sitting on this old funky couch, and I told you to pay the bills on time, and you didn't, and now I can't get a house. In fact, you're going to sleep on this couch." And I know what brother is thinking. I know exactly what he's thinking. He's got one word on his mind right now. It's just one word. Damn. Damn. This is the sorry state of affairs that we live in today, but hey, let's not cry over spilled milk, all right? This is the hand we've been dealt, and we just have to deal with it, right? And I'm here to tell you that you don't have to worry about your credit problems any longer. There is light at the end of this tunnel. There is a solution. All you need is quick, no hassle credit restoration. The only solution is to quickly and easily get a significant boost to your credit score, and to do it fast. And you're about to discover the company that will help you get bankruptcies, judgments, late payments, foreclosures, and collections all removed from your credit reports, which will help you get a big boost to your credit score and help you get your next loan approved for the home or car of your dreams. Imagine get a quick fix to your credit problems, and it won't cost you thousands and thousands of dollars. You won't waste hours and hours of your precious time trying to do it yourself. And you won't do stupid and illegal tricks like setting up new credit files and getting new social security numbers and whatnot. And most importantly, you'll end up with the best credit score possible. You're about to receive the risk-free, satisfaction guaranteed solution to your credit problems, and the best part is you won't do any of the work. You're about to discover the A-rated company that will provide the credit restoration service for you, so you can avoid the pain and frustration of doing it yourself. You're about to discover how to quickly get qualified for the loans you need, and how to finally take complete control of your financial future and put your credit problems behind you forever. So here's the company that's going to help you do this: United Credit Education Services, which is a division of Financial Education Services that I talked about at the beginning of this video. There's our website, united-credit.org. Now, United Credit Education Services has documented results showing many of our customers' credit scores increasing from the low 500s and 600s at the beginning to increasing to over the 700s and 800s in a matter of months. We have documented results showing this. Individuals who were originally declined for a home turned things around and got approved within several months of enrolling in our service. United Credit Education Services can help you get significant amounts of derogatory items removed from your credit reports, enabling you to buy your next home or refinance your existing home. You'll get bankruptcies, judgments, tax liens, and other public items removed from your credit report, allowing your credit score to increase well over 100 points. And we can also help you correct late payments on your reports to show paid as agreed. How important is that? United Credit Education Services is a trustworthy company. I want to talk to the integrity of the company for a minute. We have a 7-year track record and are a member of the Better Business Bureau in Michigan, and we have an exceptional A rating, so you can be assured that you'll be working with a trustworthy company. We offer a written money-back guarantee. You are simply a phone call away from getting a quick and friendly refund if you are unsatisfied with your results. We have live customer service representatives from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Now just imagine picking up the phone, calling United Credit with your questions or concerns, and actually talking to somebody. How about that? We also teach you while we work on your credit. You'll probably learn more about credit than you ever have before, since we offer extensive credit education in our online library of credit education resources. And most importantly, our service works. We served over 150,000 clients, and we have an outstanding deletion rate, as you can see by this chart here. We've helped over 545,000 customers get negative items removed from their credit reports, and we can help you get your negative items removed too. Out of that 545,000, nearly 57,000 of them are the public records, like bankruptcies and judgments and tax liens, like we talked about earlier. Okay? And again, we have a satisfaction money-back guarantee. Here's a screenshot of United Credit Education Services website. And as you can see here, up here on the upper right-hand corner, you'll see where you can check out the rating with the Better Business Bureau. Okay? On this page here, once you log in and become a customer, you'll see your information on the left. You'll see your initial credit score and how your initial credit score is broken down, among other information here on this page. And there's also a customer progress report tab where we show you your current status with your disputes. And we do that for each of the 3 major credit report bureaus. You'll see the original account, and you'll see whether the status is in dispute or if the account has been deleted. And there's also a summary of your accounts over there on the right hand side. Now, this is how our service works. Once you enroll in the service, You have to verify your identity with us. You simply fax us your a copy of your driver's license and your social security card to verify your identity, and then we pull the credit reports from each of the three major credit bureaus. Once we do that, we analyze your credit reports and prepare the dispute letters on your behalf. We mail you those dispute letters, and all you have to do is review them to make sure everything is correct, and then sign the letters, and you mail them to the credit report bureaus. Within 30 days, by law, the credit report bureaus are going to send you a response of your disputes, or response to your disputes. Once you get those responses back in the mail, I want you to make copies of them and rejoice. This is where the happiness begins, because many of our customers get these results back and see that many of the negative items have been removed from their credit reports. Again, like I mentioned earlier, we do this over and over and over and over again. Make copies of those responses that the bureau sent you and send those copies to United Credit Education Services. And as you can see here, that completes one cycle. And what we'll do for you, every 60 days or so, we will start a new cycle where we prepare new letters and the cycle repeats itself. We do that 5 times for you, 5 total cycles, which is going to take about a year. So your service with United Credit Education Services will last roughly 10 months to a year. Okay? Now, here's a question for you. What would it be worth to have excellent credit? Just think about that. How much is a credit restoration service that can result in a higher credit score worth to you? How much would you pay for this service that may result in a big boost to your credit score, hundreds of dollars of monthly savings for you, and eventually allow you to get the house or car of your dreams at the best interest rates? Well, I can tell you straight up that many people have paid $1,500, $2,000, and as high as $4,000 to a so-called credit repair company with dismal results, such as having only 1 or 2 items removed and losing their money and finding it nearly impossible to get their money back. I talked to a woman in Georgia recently who called me, whose husband had spent $2,000 on a credit repair company, and to put it frankly, she was quite pissed that the company took her husband's money and they didn't get the results that they were looking for. You won't go through that here with us. I can promise you that. Our service costs nowhere near the numbers I just stated. You won't pay $4,000. You won't pay $2,000. You won't even pay $1,500 or even $1,000. You won't even come close to these numbers. Our service at United Credit Education Services is only $499. That's it. One-time payment of $499 for a year's worth of credit restoration service, with the satisfaction guarantee that I mentioned earlier. And if that $499 is too tough for you, we have a split pay option where you could pay $250 now and $260 in 30 days, and that $260 includes the $249 balance plus an $11 split payment fee that the company charges for splitting the payment up. And we also have a third option, our easy pay option, where you just pay $199 down and $39 per month. This is the best price in the industry for a service that offers you a written money back guarantee, gives you a service that includes 5 challenge cycles, which is going to last about a year, provides you with your own preferred website to check your status 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, allows you to talk to someone between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Time, and gives you unlimited access to our online library of credit education resources. So you have 3 choices that, like we just mentioned, to get started. You got option 1, which you can pay in full. You can click the link below to do that. Or if you need one of these 2 options, the split pay option or the monthly payment plan, you will have to call me. So now it's time for you to take charge of your credit. Click the enroll link below or call me if you need one of the payment plans. Thank you, and may God bless you. This is Dexter Muhammad. I'll talk to you soon.